everyone. Welcome back to New Brand Car, your go-to channel for the latest in the automotive world. Today we're thrilled to introduce you to a game-changer in the world of budget-friendly off-roaders, the 2025 Dacia Sandero 4x4. If you're looking for a rugged, reliable, and affordable SUV that doesn't compromise on performance, this is one you won't want to miss. Let's dive right in. The 2025 Sandero 4x4 takes Dacia's solid reputation for offering affordable, no-nonsense vehicles and combines it with a fresh design and robust off-road capabilities. From the very first look, it's clear that Dacia's put a lot of thought into upgrading this model, making it feel more premium yet keeping it well within reach for buyers. The Sandero's exterior is muscular and sleek, with bold lines and a front grille that gives it a tough, commanding look on the road. Dacia's signature LED headlights and a higher ground clearance instantly signal that this car is built to handle the rough stuff. And those chunky 17-inch wheels aren't just for show, they're designed to handle gravel, mud, and snow with ease. Under the hood, the 2025 Sandero 4x4 is powered by a new 1.6-liter turbocharged engine, delivering around 160 horsepower and 240 Nm of torque. Now, those might not sound like performance figures to set the world on fire, but for a compact SUV, it's got plenty of punch. This engine has been engineered with efficiency and reliability in mind, perfect for those who want to explore the outdoors without constantly worrying about fuel costs. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional automatic, the Sandero's powertrain offers smooth acceleration and impressive torque distribution, thanks to the brand new all-wheel drive system. You're looking at a car that's ready for city streets, but one that's equally at home climbing up rugged mountain paths or dealing with wet, muddy trails. Now, stepping inside, Dacia has definitely leveled up in terms of comfort and tech. The interior is spacious, with ample headroom and legroom, making it ideal for family trips or group adventures. The seats are a durable fabric, designed to withstand the wear and tear that comes with an active lifestyle, and the cabin itself is surprisingly quiet, thanks to improved sound insulation. For tech enthusiasts, Dacia has incorporated a new infotainment system with an 8-inch touchscreen, featuring Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's intuitive, easy to use, and ensures you're connected no matter where your adventures take you. Safety is another area where the Sandero 4x4 stands out. You'll find features like hill start assist, lane departure warning, and an advanced traction control system. These are usually reserved for higher-end models, but Dacia has managed to integrate them into this budget-friendly SUV. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or challenging terrains, the Sandero is designed to keep you and your passengers safe. So, who is the 2025 Dacia Sandero 4x4 for? If you're someone who loves outdoor adventures, enjoys the occasional road trip, or just needs a reliable daily driver that can handle all kinds of weather, this SUV is an excellent choice. With a starting price that's expected to be highly competitive, the Sandero offers a blend of rugged capability and modern convenience that's hard to find in its price range. That wraps up our first look at the 2025 Dacia Sandero 4x4. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to New Brand Car for more updates on the latest releases and in-depth reviews.